Hello students. Students, this is your biology revision class. So student, we have to revise our chapter nutrition in plant. So first of all, I am sharing a slide. You have to open your supplementary book on SB 1. Chapter is nutrition in plant. So first of all, practice question number 1. We will discuss or revised for our ASM. So today we're going to start from first day, which is nutrition in plant. So according to your practice question, first question is nutrition present in food. Find the name which is given in 1.1. For example, first is a PR to fill the words and complete the words which is linked with nutrition present in food. So first is protein. You have to do other four blanks you have to fill. So 1.2, why do living organisms eat food? Tick the correct option. Which options are correct? You have to tick. For example, to get energy to perform daily activities. This is suitable reason and a definition because energy is needed to do any activity. So that is correct option. You have to find out and read out the other options and tick and mark the tick which is the correct option. So 1.3, which is the fill in the blanks using the words given below. So like animals eat dash, humans being eat dash, and plant is dash. So you have to do yourself. Take your time and pause the video. After that you have to do your own self. But I'm going to share solution of these practice question number 1, 1.1, 2 and 1.3. First of all, you have to do yourself while stopping the video. So students, 1.1, complete the words. Nutrition present in food. So basically there are 5 type of nutrition. First is protein and third one is carbohydrates and fats, vitamins and minerals. You have to check your answer according to the solution. So next one is, why do living organisms eat food? For example, to get energy to perform daily activity, that is correct option. So another is to grow their body, that is a reasonable, and third one is to repair the damaged part of their body, it's true. So and other is to earn money, so that is not a suitable reason. It is not compatible. Organism eat food to earn money. So last one is to protect their body, right? So you have to refer these our solution with the help of the given solution. So students, fill in the blanks using the words which is given below. You have to do on self. First of all, first blank, animal eat another animal and plants. And second is human being eat plant and part of animals. Correct. And third one is plant make their own food. So student, this is your practice question number 1 on your supplementary book on your SB1. So students, in last blank we have done plants make their own food. So plant are the only organism that make their own food. They do this by using the water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, all of which are present in their surrounding. So plant is prepare their food on self. But in case of animals, animals are dependent on a plants. Unlike plants, animal cannot make their own food. Also humans are not make their own food. So animal are dependent on plants. They get in form of plant or other animals get eat plants. Some animals eat plants and other animals. Those animal that eat plants. So they get from plant or other animal. Hence animal is directly or indirectly depend upon plants. Students, further we practice question 1.4 and 1.5 on your SB1. So first of all, write the definition of autotrophs and heterotrophs. We already revised one time. So what do you mean by autotroph and what do you mean by heterotrophs? So the answer is autotroph organism that can make their own food, which is self-dependent, and heterotrophs organism that cannot make their own food, which is depend on other organism, is known as heterotrophs. So students, next one is why do we say that humans and animal are directly or indirectly depend upon plants? So students, humans and animals are directly and indirectly depend upon plants because they cannot make their own food. They depend upon plants or other animals that eat plant for nutrition. So that's why humans and animal directly or indirectly depend upon plants. So students, I'm going to share a video clip which is introduced to you how plants prepare their own foods. So you have to pay attention and listen carefully how a plants prepare their own food. So that's why it's called autotroph.
Carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and energy from the sun. This process is called photosynthesis. So, how does photosynthesis work? The roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. These travel up the plant through tube-like vessels inside the stem to reach the leaves.
Students, to prepare their food by own self, this process is known as photosynthesis.
Surface of these leaves has tiny pores called stomata. Gases enter and exit the plant through these pores. For this to occur, plants need to take in carbon dioxide through these stomata.
So students, stomata is a part which is inhale मतलब in or out the gases. For example, inhale carbon dioxide and out oxygen through the stomata.
Plants are special for another reason as well. They contain chlorophyll, which is a pigment that gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll, unlike other pigments, has the ability to trap the energy from sunlight.
So students, other important parts which is chlorophyll. Actually chlorophylls main working and functioning of chlorophyll is to trap the energy of the sun, means it convert sunlight into energy for a plant, so that is known as chlorophyll.
And use it to produce food. It is truly the superhero of food production. Now, this trapped energy is used for the photosynthesis reaction, where water and carbon dioxide are combined to create carbohydrates, that is, food. These
So students, in form of carbohydrate, this is food. So student, if you have any problem related to these revision topics, you have to text me or call me anytime on my WhatsApp personal window. Thank you.